To generate data reports for a building in Excel file, go to the three dots at the top right of the building sheet to request the dashboard for the building concerned. Here you're going to have the option to output a bunch of Excel files, the report of the people in the building. So these are the people with their assignment to a workstation or a room. The Workstations Report, which will list only the workstations as furniture. The report of the assignments of the workstations, where we will have from the workstations the people assigned to these positions. The report of all workstations in the building, including assignments. There we will have all the workstations with possibly their assignments. And in the event that they are not affected, the possibility of knowing if the station is flexed and passing through or is simply free. The report of the inventory of the building, which will therefore bring together all the objects of the building's furniture. The report of the spaces, who will start from the designed rooms and who will give not only the occupancy ratios per room, but also a whole bunch of qualifiers in relation to the organization of the room and the typology of the room. The report of the cleaning services of the building, which will allow us, based on the data on cadence and frequency, will give us a number of monthly hours for cleaning services. And the gap analysis layers report that will list all the analysis layers present on the entire building. You can request the data reports for multiple buildings. In this case, we go to the home page, and in navigation, I'm going to ask to list the buildings. Here, I will be able to choose the buildings concerned, and I will have the data reports for all the buildings checked.